Sahih Al-Bukhari 3142, narrated Abu Qatada radiyallahu ta'ala anha. We set out in the company of Allah's Messenger sallallaho, alaihi wasallam on the day of the Battle of Hunain. When we faced the enemy, the Muslim retreated, and I saw a pagan throwing himself over a Muslim. I turned around and came upon him from behind and hit him on the shoulder with the swords. The pagan, came towards me and seized me so violently that I felt as if it were death itself, but death overtook him and he released me. I followed Umar bin al-Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala anha and asked him, "What is wrong with the people?" Feeling, he replied, "This is the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala." After the people returned, the Prophet sallallaho alaihi wasallam sat and said, "Anyone who has killed an enemy and has a proof of that will possess his spoils." I got up and said, "Who will be a witnesses for me?" and then sat down. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, "Anyone who has killed an enemy and has proof of that will possess his spoils." I again got up and said, "Who will be witnesses for me?" and sat down. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said the same for the third time. I again got up and Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O Abu Qatada radiyallahu ta'ala anha, what is your story?" Then I narrated the whole story to him. A man got up and said, "O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he is speaking the truth, and the spoils of the killed man are with me, so please compensate him on my behalf." On that, Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, "No, by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he, i.e. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, will not agree to give you the spoils gained by one of Allah's loins who fights on the behalf of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and his apostle." The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anha has spoken the truth, so Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam gave the spoils to me. I sold that armor, i.e. the spoils, and with its price I bought a garden at Bani Salima, and this was my first property which I gained after my conversion to Islam." Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.